Today, we're creating a clean and classic fade in text animation, one of the simplest but most professional ways to reveal text. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type in your title or message. This effect works beautifully with any kind of text. Now, open the Font tab and choose a style that suits your video. Minimal fonts create a soft, cinematic look, while bold fonts make the fade feel stronger and more impactful. Next, tap the Animation tab. In the In section, scroll until you find Fade In, tap it, and your text will gently appear on the screen with a smooth fade, perfect for clean and modern edits. Below the animation preview, use the duration slider. Slide right to make the fade slower and more atmospheric. Slide left for a quicker, snappier appearance. Adjust it based on the tone of your video, and that's it. You've created a simple and professional fade in text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing guides.